Welcome to an episode of Jordan's Community Center, and in this episode, we're going to be looking at how to install and use VitaCheat. Right? So it's a little bit of complexity at first, but if you have general knowledge, you'll be able to do it. Anyone can do it. Just follow me. Right. First thing we're going to do is go on your PC or go on your PC, Google download auto plugin VPK. Once you have that, you're gonna download it from a website, select anywhere you want to, and get auto plugin 2, by the way, auto plugin 2, and download it and keep it in your downloads folder on your desktop, and we're gonna get to it. Right, so the first thing you're gonna do is go to your desktop, which we are right here. My auto plugin is here, as you can see. So I need to open my Vita shell on my PS Vita as well. Let me just script over there. Right, now open my Vita shell. I'm gonna connect to my USB. You can't see the sign, but Vita shell is connected. There's the sound that you need to hear. So then now, I'm sorry if there's any noise or any distractions, but now we're gonna just head over on our PC. Now that will open up. First you're going to click view, show and hide, hidden items. Click that. Then we're going to go into, maybe we can just put it here in our downloads folder. It might show, so just transfer it like that. Let's drag it over there. Close it up. Now we can head over back onto our PS Vita. Right, now that we're here, we're going to go into download. Click on, I'm sorry, wait, wrong folder. You go on your UXO. Why is that not working now? Just give me a second. Right, sorry about that. I come back. Right now you're gonna go into your Vita shell. Go into your UXO. Go into download folder. Click this. Click yes, and it's gonna send another pop-up to you, and you're gonna click yes on that. Once we have that, we're gonna go into there, auto plugin 2, and let's enter it. Sorry about any noise once again. I will mute my mic from now and then to stop the noise, and my sinuses are worrying me today. Alright, now we're gonna go into Vita plugin, install plugin, scroll all the way down, and VitaCheat 06. Depending on which software you have, look, it'll say 3.65 plus or 3.60. I have 3.68, so I will put 3.65. So you're gonna click it on X on it and install. Then you're gonna click start, and it should restart your PS Vita. If you have HN Core, launch it again. Then we're good to go. The game I'm going to be showing you how to do this in is Dragon Ball Z, Battle of Z. My favorite games, have all the DLC and all the characters. I just completed it recently. I'm just going to pause the video so I can skip ahead. Right, as you can see, we are here. I want you to look at my premium points, which is at the top corner where it says single player. To open VitaCheat, you hold on L and left arrow. There we go. There's cheat, and this is my premium PowerPoint one. First, we're gonna search for my premium PowerPoints. This is where you enter the exact value. The 0 is in the front, don't worry about that. And we're gonna set it to 8-bit, and here we go. We have 6 numbers, so I'm gonna go 5, 6. We're gonna enter in the numbers. That's 9, 2, 2, 504. Then we're gonna search in 8-bit. Don't press any button while searching. There's no records, so we'll just press circle for OK. We can change the value. Oh, search again. Okay, wait. We're gonna press start to research the search. We're gonna 16-bit and we're gonna search again. There's 0 records. We're gonna go in 32-bit. Okay, press start again. 32-bit and let's search again. We found 2 records. Right, now you're gonna press triangle to see all the records, and we're gonna add the new address in cheat list. Go back by pressing X, go in cheat list. This is cheat 1 and 2. That's the new ones. First we're gonna edit it. We're gonna press circle on it and then go down, press circle. Then we're gonna press square, and that's the exact value. So I'm gonna just change a couple of values, like the 2 2s to 9 and 9, and press square on it to activate it and see whether it changes. And as you can see, it changed, which means that's my value. So I'm gonna go here, press square again, go on it, rename it to cheat or something. Just put C's or whatever you want. Now I'm gonna just go back and press up arrow. I mean up analog, and that means we save the cheat. So currently I don't need these cheats, so I'm just gonna leave it alone. And this is my cheat for, there you go, I have 999. I got my premium collection and buy some stuff. Let's buy alternate combination crash. This, we'll buy that. And as you can see, my points never go down because the cheat is activated. Don't forget to press up analog to save the cheat. Otherwise the cheat won't save and you'll be left out. And you have to do it all over again. If you don't find the value at first, keep trying, you will find it. So as you can see, we found our value, which is this, but I'm not going to use that. I'm only using the first one. You can do this for anything that revolves around numbers, or even for Need for Speed. Some games already have cheats, some don't. I'm just going to press pause, launch Need for Speed. As you can see, we're here in Need for Speed. Right, press left arrow and L together at the same time. Then you go into cheat list and see we already have cheats here. We don't have to worry about that. If I put the obtain max SP points, see my SP points, it's there, shows like that, but I have 40,000 here, which means basically I unlocked all the most wanted cars because of the SP points. I already played the game, but I want to do it again. And there you go, that's how you use VitaCheat. Please like, subscribe, and tell your friends about this channel. Get people to subscribe. Thank you. This is Jordan, Community Center, signing off.